Hello everyone, I am Pushpa. In this video I am going to give the introduction about the AutoCAD 3D. AutoCAD 3D is a powerful CAD software program which is used for architectural design and mechanical engineering design. It is one of the very best toolkit and features to sustain 2D illustration. The process of creating a mathematical representation of any surface of an object in three-dimensional by using special software is called the 3D modeling. So firstly by opening the AutoCAD, we can see this user interface. I am giving the introduction about the 3D modeling. So here you can see it is in the 2D plane, x, y, z. Only there is x and y plane. So we need 3D means x, y, z plane we will be having. Okay. So click on setting here, workspace. Click on 3D modeling. Here we can see the user interface of 3D modeling. Here in home we have box, extrude. This one is the poly solid, press pull. These are the mesh, solid editing, draw, modify, section, coordinates. All it will be somewhat about 2D, but we will be having the 3D. Just these are the only new ones: modeling, mesh, solid editing. Draw commands and modify commands are similar to the 2D one. Here we have section, plane and coordinates, 2D frame. If we want to see the objects in as we require, we can select here. Okay. Let us begin. So firstly, here after opening the CAD, we have to set up the units, limits and dimension. So let us UN enter. Okay. So keep it in engineering, precision as 0 to 0, units in inches. Click on OK. Now we have to give the dimensions. D enter is the shortcut key for the dimension. So modify, click on modify. Unit format is engineering and precision select 001. After clicking on this, click on OK. Here you can see, as we have selected inches, so 12 inches is equals to 1 feet, so it is showing as 1 feet 2 inches like this. So after modifying, click on the set current. After clicking on set current, close this. Okay. Now we have to set the limits. So first of all we have to give the 0, 0. Enter. I am giving it as 50 feet, 50 feet. Enter. Okay. We have given the limits. Okay. Let us begin. From modeling, I am starting this. Okay. Click on box. Here we have various types of 3D objects are there: box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus. Let us see one by one. First click on box. Wait. Click on box. So in this box, it is showing that box specify first corner. So we have to specify the first corner. After specifying the first corner, so first put it in 3D. So we have to click here. click escape. Here the navigation, here we have this one. So we have to click here at the corner. In southwest I am clicking, so it will look like this. The cursor you can see here. In cursor, if we see a square like box, so it shows that currently there is no activation of any command. If you click on box, now you can see there is no box there, so there is the activation of the command. So again click on, so there is no command in activation, so it is looking like this. Okay, so firstly we have to put this this one as in 3D. So I have selected this one in southwest. Okay, now click on box. So specify first corner. I am specifying this. Okay. Here you can see I have created a box. It is like a cube, right? So here you can see this one is the box. So if you want to change this color or anything, here we have in 2D, in view we will be having these many options, 10 options, that we can see our object in 2D wireframe, which means we can see all edges. In conceptual, let us click on conceptual. So here you can see hidden. In hidden we cannot see the back side. In hidden only we can see the front view, not backwards. Okay, in realistic, like this it will look like this, shaded. Okay, shaded with what? Shaded with edges. Edges will be shaded. Okay. Shades of grey. In grey color it will look like sketchy. Here you can see. It was amazing. Sketchy. Next, wireframe. So wireframe in X-ray. All these are the views. Okay, here we can see. Let us keep it in this one and keep it in this. So here we have different cylinder. Okay, so specify first. Okay, so we have to give the diameter. So click on here. I am giving diameter as 5 feet. So we have to give the height. Okay, I am giving height as the 5 feet. Okay, so here we can see the box. Okay, here we can rotate like this. Here you can see. Okay, this one is the cylinder. Cone. Specify center point of base. is the cone. And again sphere. Specify the center point. Okay, click here. So either we can give the diameter as clicking on this, or manually we can select. Here you can see this sphere, pyramid. This one is the cone and pyramid will be like this. It is a circular base and it will be the square or rectangular base, then we will call it as a pyramid. So wedge, triangular like this. And we have last one is the torus. Torus means a pipe like structure. Here you can see we can give a tube radius or so here you can see. Rather than this, we have another 3 commands. Okay, so it will be easy for us to draw the 3D model so that our visualization can see our, we can visualize that. Okay, let us take a rectangular box. So click on rectangle, enter. Now select this extrude. Extrude means we can create a solid. So select this and click enter. We can create a solid object through this. The dimension of the rectangular box will be the dimension of this whole cuboid. Okay, the height, breadth, length, all this. Okay, or I can create a circle. Click here, circle. Let us take the extrude. Click on this, select object, enter. Here we can find. This is what the extrude means. Okay, creating a solid object from the 2D object. Okay, in this we have 4 types: extrude, loft, revolve, sweep. So we have seen the extrude. Now we go to the loft. For loft we require a circle. Okay, here you can see loft. Here you can see we have to create the circle somehow, this plane. Okay, let us create circle, enter. So first let us create it, and again space. Switch off. These are the snap. We have all the commands here. This one is the grid mode. Okay, drawing grid. This one is the snap mode. So if we on this, we can create the grids. This one is the, see, this one is the ortho. So in 90 degrees the line will be shown. Okay, so restrict cursor to the specified angle. Okay, we have selected the 45. At each 45 degrees it will be shown in symbol at 90 degrees, 135 degrees, all like this. So we can change it all. This one is the isometric. For isometric views we can select this, and snapping reference lines. So this showing, if we select the line command, it will show the snap node. Okay. So let us create another circle. Here we can see the center. From this center we can drag this one, and again clicking on space we can come to the previous command. Okay, so let us move this one. Move. Here on the snap ortho mode, so that I am creating a flower vase. Let us move this one. Okay. Now let us move this one. So let us now clicking on loft, selecting loft. Here you can see, select the objects. Okay. Here we can see the instructions. Select cross sections in lofting order. see. Let us see for circle. Okay. Let us click on revolve. Select object, enter. So we have to specify the axis. Okay. So it is revolving like this. So I am giving it as a angle 180 degrees. So here we can see. Okay. This one is the revolve and sweep. For sweep we require two objects, that is one line and one is the rectangular or circle. So let us take the SP line. SP line means it is a curved line. Here you can see. So first we have to off the ortho. Click on enter. Okay. So I am selecting the circle, creating the circle. Okay. So let us select this one for revolve. Sorry. We have to click on sweep. So first is select object to sweep. So we are selecting this one. So after selecting the object to sweep, we have to select the path. Okay, after clicking on enter. Okay. Here we can see this circular one will have been formed like a pipe in that path only. Okay. Or you can select line and enter, click on line from here to here. Escape. Let us take a rectangle box. Okay. So select sweep here, enter, select the path. This one you can see rectangular or cuboid has been formed. Okay. So this one polysolid is like a, it will create a wall. Okay. This one is this. So it will create a wall like structure. Here. This one is the polysolid. Okay. This command is used to create a wall like structure. So now coming to the press pull, we can, let us see, press pull and extrude is similar, but press pull is mainly for the creating the boundary like structure. Okay, let us take a rectangular box. Okay. another rectangle. Enter. If we take the extrude, we can select one at a time. So click enter. So whole structure will be formed. But here we have the boundary. So it has formed the boundary. Okay. So after we have seen all these the objects and extrude one. In modeling we have covered all these points, and coming to the next mesh, let us go to here mesh. Here we have various options. Mesh means let us create one and explain. I will explain that. So I have taken this one. So here if I select this object, there are also the small boxes have been selected. But if I come here, only one box has been selected. So what is the difference means, there will be mesh means combining of smaller objects. Okay. In mesh box, in this also we have many types. So mesh cone. Okay. Mesh cylinder. Mesh pyramid. Mesh sphere. Like this. Mesh wedge. Mesh Taurus. Select this one, and here in this mesh these are the primitives, and in this mesh we can see the smooth object. So click on smooth. So okay, we have selected this one. So here we have the various options: smooth more, smooth less, or refine mesh. Okay, so let us click on the smooth mesh. Let us select this one and click here smooth more. Here we can see this object, circular tube. What it happened? It became the soft or smooth. Okay, by clicking on smoothness we can create this solid like this. So for cube also we can do. Select this one, click smooth more. After extend, it will show one or more meshes in the current selection cannot be smoothed again. Okay, we have came to the extend point, so we cannot smooth the object than this. Okay, this one is this. Okay, again coming to the home, after mesh we have the solid editing. In another video we will be seeing these about the solid editing. In this we have draw commands, modify commands. All these are the same as the 2D AutoCAD, and select these are the we have covered this one, and the remaining all in this video we have covered the modeling, mesh, and draw and modify commands are the same, so no need to explain that one. And in this view. Okay, so in another next video we will be seeing the remaining one. Thank you.